In today's video, I'm showcasing the BBVA Compass Clear Choice Premium Checking Account, which not only allows you to earn higher interest, but there are other features and perks as well. For instance, the fact that you get complimentary online banking, mobile banking, and unlimited in-branch banking. And of course, the fact that you can do much of your daily banking requirements at any of the numerous ATMs that BBVA Compass has to offer. And then the fact that when it comes to earning interest on your account, it's on a tiered basis where the more you have in your account, the more you earn. So for instance, there are these slabs where greater the balance beyond a certain limit, then there's higher interest rate applicable on it. See, we are living in times where interest rate as a whole is very low, and at the same time, if you have the possibility of earning more on more deposits in your account, obviously you want to make the most of it. And that's not the end of the good news. There are complimentary premium checks, rebates on ATM fees charged by other banks, and even this monthly service charge, which by itself is very nominal. There's actually the possibility of avoiding that charge as well. So make the most of it. You can actually apply directly to the BBVA Compass Clear Choice Premium Checking Account. I provided the direct link in the description below this video. You can simply click on that and apply right away for your BBVA Compass Clear Choice Premium Checking account. Now, before you get going with your application for your very own premium checking account with BBVA Compass, you would probably like to have a very good idea of the features and the fees associated with that. In terms of features, see, as I mentioned, you're looking at tiered interest rates, whereby as per the slabs, you could actually earn higher interest on your checking account balance. Then there's unlimited check writing, so no limit to the number of checks that you can write, and online banking, mobile banking, bill payment online through your account, everything is easily available. And there's no ATM withdrawal fee at as many as 44,000 BBVA Compass and Allpoint ATMs across the United States. That's of course a very large number, so which means that you can easily withdraw money from these ATMs, that too without incurring any kind of fees. And then there are no withdrawal charges when you use other banks' ATMs, plus 2 rebates per statement cycle of ATM fees charged by other banks. Then on top of that, the Visa debit card that you get with your account, you can actually personalize with your very own favorite photo, and you can easily keep track of all your purchases and get instant transaction alerts even while on the go with BBVA Wallet. The premium checks associated with this account come at no charge, and there's 50% off on other styles of your choice as well. And then on top of all of that, you get complimentary online and paper statements. So clearly, when it comes to features, there's a lot on offer. For all this, the monthly service charge is just $15, and even this small nominal amount can actually be waived off under a number of conditions. If you're able to actually meet any one of them, you can still waive off the charge. For instance, an average daily balance of at least 5,000 in your account, a combined average daily balance of at least 5,000 in any of these accounts, a minimum daily balance of 7,500 in a linked installment loan balances. Then if the primary account holder is enrolled in the personal banking program, there's a lot of any of these conditions, or is happens to be a BBVA Compass Global Wealth client. Any of these conditions, if they apply, the monthly service charge is also waived off. So in all, what we're looking at is the fact that when it comes to this BBVA Compass Premium Checking Account, the features are fabulous and the fees for that are very nominal, which also can be waived off. So under these circumstances, clearly this is an account which you don't want to miss out on. So you can feel free to compare any other premium checking accounts, and you'll invariably find that the BBVA Compass Clear Choice Premium Checking Account scores on many fronts in many ways. So without further ado, go ahead, apply now. I provided the direct link which will allow you to directly go ahead and apply for your very own BBVA Compass Clear Choice Premium Checking account.